The College of Agricultural, Consumer, and Environmental Sciences at New Mexico State University invites you to their annual open house, Saturday, April 1st from 9 a.m. to noon. It's free, fun, and amazing, so bring the whole family. Come and explore some of the science labs and various science museums. It's entertaining with hands-on activities for people of all ages, demonstrations, exhibits, games, and much, much more. There's plenty to do, see, and learn. Refreshments are free, including free wine tasting for adults. Check in at the Welcome Tent, located at 940 College Drive in front of Gerald Thomas Hall to begin your visit. Join us Saturday, April 1st from 9 a.m. to noon. This event is sponsored by the New Mexico Beef Council.